any rule-based assignment, so you can specify that rule here. Okay. So this is how we can modify the territory behavior for other all sales objects. So now we will see how to assign. So in this case, right, so we have specific records and we can assign by clicking on save, or once the record is created, once opportunity is created or updated, or we can run the action run assignment for account, so that the territories will get assigned. But what if I want to run assignment, right? This same assignment for some bulk opportunities or bulk accounts. So then you have an option to use schedule process. So for lead, it is the process request sales lead assignment. For opportunity, it is request revenue territory based assignment. For account, it is request account assignment process. These are all the schedule processes, and this is for partner. Well, now we will take an example of revenue territory. This is for opportunity. So you have some criteria for this. You have some predefined the criterias. So you can choose the view criteria here. Let me go to the schedule process and go to tools, schedule processes. And just search for revenue territory. So we have this request assignment. Okay, so select this process. And now here you have a criteria. Okay, so this criteria we can check from the documentation whether you want to run this opportunities by some criteria. So this criteria is open opportunities by creation date. So it lists all the open opportunities with a specified creation date. The example for this is so you need to copy this view criteria first and just paste here. Okay, so then criteria bind values we need to use like this. So if you have the specific start date and end date, then you can also choose like this. Bind the creation date to, and the bind opportunity creation date from. So from this creation date to this creation date, the criteria will be selected. And you can leave these as default values, so it is fine. And if you want to submit this process, you can submit, or you can use the advanced mode to repeat the schedule. You can go to schedule and you can repeat using a schedule. The frequency you can choose daily or hourly or something, depends on your need. Okay, so if you don't have any frequent, right, so the recurrency, so then you can choose as soon as possible and then click on the submit. So once this process is submitted, it will run the process. It will select all those records and it will assign the territories to the latest dimensions criteria that we defined in the territories. You can monitor the process here. So once it's completed, so we have given some invalid criteria, so it might success, but no results. So once the process is also runs, then we can download the log files, and then we can see how it is, how many records it processed and how many records it failed. Those details we can see from the log files. Okay, click on this process. Now come down and you download the attachment. Open this log file. So it says with the criteria, we have total of 0 uh, records, 0 work objects, and 0 processed, 0 couldn't process. Because we have given some invalid criteria, it doesn't process. But if the criteria matches with the objects records, so then it will process and it will show the results here.